crazy. I feel like we're in Alaska. Antarctica.
So what are we doing today, Warren?
We're gonna finally ceramic coat my truck.
So we just washed it, pressure washed it outside, and it's like 8 degrees. So now we have the torpedo heaters heating it up. And Brent's actually back in the shop working today. We're finishing up the clutch on Joey's 96 Cobra. We got the new clutch in when we were in Florida. So he just brought that over about an hour ago. And we already got it in. He got his stock flywheel turned. And it's all set, right, Brent?
She's looking good, yep.
Yeah, you gonna pull her out?
Yeah, I need like pliers or something. It's in there a little bit tight.
Alright, so we got her in there. And we're honestly almost ready for the whole transmission to go in, which is going to take all 4 of us. So we'll probably throw the transmission on while we do that, and then Rollo's going to take over once he starts doing the truck and show you guys what he's going to use. But why don't you show them what else we got in the mail today?
Oh.
Sneak peek right here.
DMP.
That's all you're going to see right now. Upcoming video, so you guys subscribe so you don't miss out on anything. So we're gonna let the truck de-ice, and we're gonna all manhandle this T45 back in the Cobra. So we'll be back after that. All right, so Brent just got the drive shaft put in, and we got the T45 in there, everything plugged up. So now we have what, exhaust left, Brent?
An
O2s?
Shifter, transmission.
Cross member, yeah, that's right. Rollo and Warren got the truck all dried off. So Rollo's about ready to start step 1 of the paint correction and ceramic coating. Here's his little supplies right here. So he'll go over that stuff with you, and here's his dual actions right there. So Warren's right there, he's Snapchatting us. Warren just got the new iPhone X.
And it's broken already.
And then I got the new iPhone X as well. And look at this, we just got a comment on YouTube. Alright guys, it's the next day after Rollo did his Rollo buff on the Dodge Cummins, and Warren's excited. You like it, Warren?
Very pleased.
Yeah, so thanks a lot, Rollo.
It's only 1,200 bucks.
So we let it sit overnight, and because it's still all nasty outside, and Rollo said since this coat has kind of got to harden up, right? For a little bit.
12 hours.
12 hours, yeah. So good sit. Brent's on his way to the shop. We have some of the lights off over there, that's why it's dark. We're going to pull it out, show you guys, and then we're going to head out to Louisville. This is Rollo's last night here, so he's leaving in the morning, so we're going to show him a good time tonight. What are we doing, Warren?
Cave, right? We're going to go cave ride.
Yeah, we're going to go to the Louisville Mega Caverns, and I think we're going to do the bike course. They have like zip line, stuff like that. Oh, there's Brent right there.
Yeah, presents. Viper arms.
For Mustang?
No, the
Jeep?
Yeah.
Sorry,
Put
Brent.
the hood on. Dude, the hood looks awesome. The Jeep looks awesome. It probably looks better than this truck.
So where are we going?
So we're going to Mega Caverns, what I heard. We're going to be riding some motorcycles. Actually, I think you got to pedal them. But it's supposed to be like 65 degrees underground, so it'll be pretty hot. It's freezing out there. I mean, there's freaking snow on the ground. It sucks.
Yep, so Brent's here now, and we're going to pull this out and check it out outside.
Ooh, look at that shine.
Alright, Warren doesn't like talking. Alright, so Nick ceramic coated the front grille, the headlights, bumpers, wheels, center caps, emblems. This trim right here, you can see how nice and shiny and dark it looks. It doesn't look sun faded. The door, the exhaust tip, all this black trim as well. It's hard to get everything on camera, but it literally is like a mirror. Hard to see though because there's snow on the ground and it's white on white, so looks good though. So now we're gonna go to the mate cavern, have some fun, and we'll do a little video of that, and then Rolo's leaving, and then Brent and I are going right back to the shop. We're gonna get some work done.
Rolo, we missed you already.
So we forgot to videotape Rolo leaving. Anyways, it wasn't that great. It was just like letting your college kid go to school, you know. See ya in a few weeks, because we always go up there. But no, Rolo's gone, and venture back to the shop. What's up, guys? Clutch job is done. She started up. Sounds good. A little bit laggy. I think it's the... Also, there's no bolts in here. We don't know what's up with that. The car came in on a trailer. All we did was put the clutch in it. No bolts in that.
Just letting it warm up. I don't think this car's been started for almost a month, so got the new clutch installed. Everything's good, fresh fluids. The battery is dead. Actually, the battery was dead whenever Joey brought it to us, so we charged it, and it should be good now. We're gonna pull it out and let it warm up first, and then maybe test drive it just down the street, make sure the clutch is engaging and disengaging properly. We just went to my house and got a lot of customer parts in. This for Christian for the Fox Celine. New mood control arms, new condenser, we got an AC compressor, all that kind of stuff. I did put the stickers on last night. The new stickers he ordered from late model. Air conditioning one, and then just some caution stickers. It really just makes it pop once you're done. Fresh ground bolts right here. Those are always my favorite. So, the little things that count. Got everything else back here. Forgive me for the autofocus. I still haven't got a new camera yet, so the screen's all cracked up. And I just got the brand new iPhone 10, and guess what? I love cracking cracking screens, because look at that. I haven't even had this thing for a week, and it's already ruined. So anyway, I haven't had a phone for like a week when I was in Florida because my other one broke. But now this one's cracked, and I just did an affidavit thing to get a new phone because I got insurance on it or whatever, so it's going to take a few days. So we got the Celine in too while we were gone from California. As you guys saw in the last video, I just talked about it briefly, and we'll go over with it today. We're going to put it on the lift, but right now we're going to get Joey's car ready for him to pick up. It is Friday, so it's Fuck Around Friday. So we're just kind of getting back into the shop and everything, getting everything situated. We got boxes everywhere, engines everywhere, stuff like that. So today we're just going to clean up, make sure get everything in line, and kind of go over what we're going to do, because we've been out of the shop for almost a full month, so at least 3 weeks. So we're going to get everything going. It is warm up a little bit. It's been like under 10 degrees for the past week, so today's like 45, so it actually feels all right. I think tomorrow's supposed to be like 52, and then it's supposed to get to like 56. So all this snow is going to be melting. So like I said, yeah, just stick around, hit that subscribe button, and I'm not really sure what we're getting into today, but for sure this car's leaving. Maybe get the Celine on the lift. We did get the welding tank filled up, so we're gonna do maybe some welding, or not welding today, but get it prepped so we can weld this weekend. So you guys stay tuned, and we'll be back. All right, back in the Cobra out. Thing was a quart and a half low of oil. I'm not sure when the last time he drove it, but he did trailer it on and had dead battery, so we never got to test that out. But she's dirty, but she's looking good outside in the sunlight. So we're not ripping on anything. He's just gonna stop, drive, make sure that the clutch is all good before we actually call Joey up and tell him that his car's good. So she's dirty though. Alex's car is still over there, all sad. He's not gonna fix it. All right. So if I don't get a phone call from Brent, that means the test drive went good. We have to test drive your cars like that after we do clutch and stuff. Alright, so test drive was a success. Car's running good. Car is actually mint looking compared to all the other cars on the road from all the salt and grime. I think he's actually going to drive this home. And everything's good on it. He did get the seats redone. Actually, he did them himself. I think he got the TMI ones from late model. So those are looking mint. 96 with the adjustable headrest. So we pulled Bruce's notch in. This is the one we got from Florida while we were down, and it got beat up by all the salt and stuff on the way home on the trailer. So we got it from that Mustang Specialties. Is that what it's called? What? Mustang Specialties? Yeah, that shop. They put a clutch in it, B-cam, aluminum heads, other stuff. Thing idles like shit, runs like shit. I don't know. So he just kind of paid the bill just to get out of that shop so that we could get it. And we're going to take care of you, Bruce. And this is why people want to bring their cars halfway around the country for us to work on. So we're going to check it out. He said we don't have to mess with it mechanically, but we're going to just take a look at it. It might be something simple. So, because with that other shot, as you all saw the video, made us wait like 4 extra days. So luckily Christian let us stay at his house for the extra days. But if we were on a tight schedule, we would have been fucked. Because the guy knew we were coming, I think like 2-3 weeks in advance. So they waited at the last minute, rushed it. And of course we're American, we don't rush. So they must have been rushing. So we're going to pop the hood real quick. Ooh, greasy fingerprints too. They didn't even clean off. Damn, how the hell did the salt get on it? I guess from the orange. That's fucked, yeah. So anyway, they like spray painted the engine bay, which we told them not to do, and Bruce actually told them multiple times not to. There's runs right here. So now all that shit, Brent and I have to fucking go back over because people don't know what they're doing.
I like the screw. Look at that vacuum line over there. See the screw in it?
Ooh. Mustang Specialty, that's awesome. Yeah, so anyway, there's a random fucking ground wire right in the frame. Yep. So anyway, they were kind of annoyed that we showed up there. I mean, we weren't doing anything but picking up the car. So they kind of like were looking at us like, oh, we're a bunch of punk kids and we don't know what we're talking about. But I mean, we were just there to pick the car up. It was supposed to be done. The guy got pissed at us because we came at 1, like at 12:30, and he's like, yo, I was supposed to be here at 10. The fucking car wasn't done for 3 days anyway, later. So he was like bitching us for nothing. So anyway, we're going to go over it for a little bit, not spend too much time on it. And if not, Bruce's buddy from Illinois is going to come pick the car up and he'll like redo the engine and stuff, I guess. I don't know. Because it sounds like it has a damn blower on it, which is probably this junk idler. It looks like they just spray painted that, Brent.
They probably did.
I think they charge them for new one. I don't know. I'm going to have Bruce screenshot the invoice and send it to us, see exactly what they did. So, yeah. So right now we're kind of waiting for Joey to pick that 96 Cobra up. We're going to mess with this a little bit. And then pull it back out. Maybe get the 96 Celine on the lift and check it out. Because it's supposed to have goodies underneath. And I don't know if it does. So we'll check and see if it has a TKO transmission and stuff like that.